Today, we are diving into the all-new Do Safar Do 5 Ford Mustang, exploring its design, performance, and cutting-edge features that make it a standout in the muscle car segment. The Do Safar Do 5 Ford Mustang continues its legacy with a bold and aggressive exterior, featuring a redesigned front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and an aerodynamically enhanced body that improves both style and performance. The iconic Mustang grille remains but is now more sculpted, giving it a modern yet unmistakably classic look. With wider fenders and new alloy wheel designs, the Mustang commands attention on the road like never before. Under the hood, the Do Safar Do 5 Mustang offers a range of powerful engine options, catering to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2-Vakt-3-LITER EcoBoost engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those craving more muscle, the legendary 5-Vakt-Safar-LITER V8 has been fine-tuned to produce even more horsepower and torque, providing a thrilling driving experience. Ford has also introduced a hybrid variant, marking a significant step toward electrification while maintaining the Mustang's raw performance DNA. The interior of the new Mustang has undergone a significant transformation, blending modern technology with a driver-focused cockpit. The fully digital instrument cluster and large touchscreen infotainment system offer seamless connectivity, featuring the latest sync software with voice commands, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. Premium materials and improved ergonomics enhance comfort, making long drives enjoyable without compromising the car's sporty feel. Ford has also placed a strong emphasis on advanced safety and driver assist technologies. The Do Safar Do 5 Mustang comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system. These features not only provide an extra layer of security but also enhance the overall driving experience, whether on the highway or winding roads. Performance-wise, the new Mustang boasts improved handling, thanks to a revised suspension system and enhanced chassis rigidity. The magnetic ride control system ensures a smooth yet responsive drive, adapting to different road conditions in real time. Whether pushing the car to its limits on a track or enjoying a casual drive, the Mustang delivers an engaging and confident ride. One of the most exciting additions to the Do Safar Do 5 lineup is the availability of an all-electric Mustang variant, designed to compete with the growing segment of high-performance EVs. While it stays true to the Mustang's heritage, this electric model offers instant torque, rapid acceleration, and a futuristic driving experience. Customization remains a key aspect of the Mustang experience, with multiple trim levels, paint options, and performance packages available. From aggressive racing stripes to carbon fiber accents, Ford allows enthusiasts to personalize their